Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another workout of mine, programming. I've made some rules for it. So the rules will be following. The workout is uninterrupted. Turn on notification for 30 minutes, 5 minutes taping approximately, and 25 minutes of learning. And here comes the change. The first, I will try to code from memory just to try myself if I already know it or if I remember it from the last time. Then I would read tutorial or documentation or whatever without coding at the same time, just to try to hold it in my head and then repeat the A. So I'll try to code it from memory and try to go from there. So now those are the rules. So I can open the project, which I have right here. Here we go. And we can have a look. Oh, this is the Bootstrap playground, but I want a different one. Open recent CSS new window.
1990. Ah, spaghetti.
Hey,
Ah,
Maria.
ravioli. Ah, mamma mia.
Mamma mia. All right. So you go here. You go to the right, and next we have margins. So what are the margins? I have no concrete idea. I think it will do like a space around your thing. So let's try it. So it'll be div. Yeah, why not? Div. But this is not how you write it, Stepan. It is div this, and we will make a border, and we will do border color. It will be caret blue just to see, and we will try it out. So here we will have div ahoy, and let's see it. And here we have the thing, but there's a bottom. Maybe I want something else like border color like this. Caret blue. Refresh, and it doesn't do anything. So what am I doing wrong? CSS. Okay, here are the backgrounds, and we will have a look at borders. CSS board. Okay, so maybe it is style. Order style solid, and we need this thing in here, and now maybe it will work, and it does. Cool. So the thing we are talking about in here are margins. So let's add another one. If second if, and I need. Dang it! I broke my rules already. Okay, so the typing will come at the end. At the end it will be. Maybe I need an outline as well for it to have it somewhere, not to get lost. Anyways, I'll do that, and we want margin, and we will do, I don't know, like 20% or 20 pixels. Yep, okay. And there is something. Okay, then I think I can specify more things. So maybe span. Uh, we'll do it like this. Span, and here will be span first, span, second span, first span, second span. All right. So those that's it, I guess. Can I do? Can I somehow like this will be dot war war border, okay, and border color will be black, border border color, border style will be solid, and border. What do we have with bottom radius, collapse, image, slice, left, right, spacing, top, width. Do I have width? No, I do not. So border, what is it? What is it? Is it in the style? Or it is border width. Why you don't it? Hmm. We make it small. Okay, and here we will add some span, span with class of border. Thank you. And you, sir, will go here. Thank you. The formatting doesn't work for the HTML for some reason. Hmm. Alright, let's see if it is what I wanted, and it looks like it. Okay, so here's the containing span, and then are the other ones. So we have a margin of 20 pixels. Then we can do 10 pixels, and that will change something. That's the horizontal, vertical. Okay, so we'll do this 10, 10 pixels, 20 pixels, 30 pixels. Hmm. Okay, so I don't understand how this one works. I can try to put it inside div and see what that one will do. It's still flat. It still does not does not increase anything. So uh, that's it. What I know. Apparently, I don't know a lot. So let's read on it. Margins. And now I will not code. I'll just try to get it into me. So CSS has properties for specifying margin of each side of an element. Top, right, bottom, left. Sure. And there are some units. Value auto, length, pixels, pt, centimeters. And there is a percent and inherit specify what the margin should be inherited from parent element. Okay. Negative values are allowed. That's interesting. So here is something with the P thingy, with the paragraph, and has different top, bottom, right, and left margins. Let's see. Here's a div. Here's margin top, margin bottom, margin right, margin left, and background color for niceties. Okay, why did... Maybe it did work. I don't know. It did not work for the spans though. Hmm. This div element has top margin of 100%, 100 pixels. Yeah, those are the values. Okay, got it. Margin, shorthand property. Margin, that is what I did in here. Top, right, bottom, left. Yep. Here is an example. Here is example omitting one of those things. And there's the auto value. You can set the margin property to auto to horizontally center the element within its container. Okay. So center. Okay, margin auto with 300 pixels. So okay, with height, and it will be in the center all the time. Okay, so I can understand that. That is auto. That is another thing. So we had only top left, right, top right, bottom left, and the combined ones. And then we have auto, and then we have an inherit. The normal ones auto inherit, and this example let's the left margin to be of the P class EX element to be inherited from the parent element div. Okay, so the left margin will be 100, and yeah, I see. So here the left margin works. And all those news, this thing does not concern me right now. distractions. So got that. Margin top. Run. Okay, so maybe I just choose the bad thing to do it. Instead of spans, it should be like paragraph, for example, and then it would work. Okay. So that's the inherit value, and then we have a collapse. The top-bottom margins of elements are sometimes collapsed into a single margin that is equal to the largest of two margins. Okay, this does not happen on left and right margins, only top and bottom margins. Okay, so this one will set the bottom to the 50 as well, but this one will not, because that is top, right, bottom, left. Okay, so both of them will have a heading 1. Okay, so the H1 will have 0050, and this one will have 20. In this example, the H1 element has the bottom margin of 50, and the H2 element has top margin of 20. Then the vertical margin between H1 and H2 should have been 70, 50 for 20. However, due to margin collapse, the actual margin ends up being 50 pixels. Ah, okay. I got it. I got it. Now I understand this. Okay, and that is the margin. Okay, so when two elements are neighboring, the margin will be not the result of addition those two, but it will be the max value of them, which in this case is 50. Okay, so that is the collapse. Collapse is basically the max, and here is the rest. Okay, cool. Now I will do it out of the memory. So maybe I will copy, pasty, SLE margins too. Okay. And I will bam, delete you, delete you. I have body style only. Oh, this one will hold, but I want you. And you currently looks like this, which is nothing, haha. So I want the style for div, and I want style for p, maybe, I don't know. So let's have a div. Here I would like to have a border style will be solid, and border, oh come on, border width will be 1 pixel. Okay, let's see what it does, and it does something cool. Here we have a paragraph. First paragraph, and this will be second paragraph. Cool. Now we got that. How come they are on the next line? Is it because of this? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Now what I wanted is, well, first of all, it will be dot border, yeah, and we will steal you, and you will go. You two guys will march in here, and we will say class border, and here we will say the same, class border, just to see the boundaries, you know. All right. Now in P, we can do some margins. The margin, a funny thing, so the top will be 10 pixels, 20 pixels, 30 pixels. Oh, come on. 40 pixels. And here we go. So this is it. This is the top right bottom. So this should be 30 because it is the collapse thingy. And here we will say margin left will be that looks like way more. That is top right, but okay, so this is the one, so we will do 10 pixels and it works. It should be this wide, and we will create third without any class. This will be third. Is it spelled like this? Yeah, looks like it. Okay, bam. Yeah, I want the border. So let's put the class back. That is border. And what I want is to add sun. Okay, it will be sun, and it will be margin inherit. Okay, and just so the left should be smaller, and nothing happens. Why? Okay, so we will go down. I don't want console. I want elements. I should do it. Yeah, and this inspect. Also, what does it say? Third, and here is the border px margin for p and inherited from HTML. Huh. How it was. It was. Okay, so it was the inherit value is margin left, inherit, margin left. Oh, no, but it is margin inherit. And the P and the div has not. Ah, okay. So maybe it should be like this. And the difference being still nothing. Okay, it's backed. And it will be this one. And the styles are border. Okay, here's the P. Okay. And nothing else. Yeah, because I don't have the sun in here, right? Okay, and maybe this does not need to be, yeah. So the margin inherit will override everything. So what we just found out is that if I do inherit, it will not take just the one, where is it? Just the one value, just rewrite the left. But if the other ones are not specified, it will rewrite others as well. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 10 in here, in the sun. Yeah, cool. Let's do the typing, one class. So typing IO, improve your typing. Let's go. Okay, cool. So that is improvement because what I see is 9% errors, which is lower, and 39 words per minute. So that is awesome. That is awesome. Well done. Well done. Well done, me. Okay, so this is all. Please remember, done is much, 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 much better than perfect. Bye.